Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share some simple but effective hacks to help you extend your laptop battery life. Whether you're on a long flight, in a meeting, or just away from a power socket, these tips will keep you powered up longer. Let's dive right in.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
First up, go to your laptop settings and turn on if you're on Windows or if you're on a Mac. Lower your screen brightness because the display is one of the biggest battery hogs. Also, set your laptop to sleep or hibernate when not in use, instead of just leaving it idle. Step 2. Things like USB flash drives, external hard drives, and cooling pads can drain your battery faster. Only use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when you need them, as keeping them on constantly drains your battery. Next, open the on Windows or on Mac to see what's running in the background. Close any apps that you don't need. Disable startup programs that aren't necessary right away to save power. Now, turn off autosync for emails, cloud storage, and other apps that run in the background. Update your apps and software manually when your laptop is plugged in. Step 5. If your laptop has an OLED or AMOLED display, switching to dark mode can save battery life. Also, reduce visual effects and animations in your system settings to cut down on power usage. Step 6. Heat is a battery killer. Use your laptop on a hard, flat surface to promote airflow and avoid using it in direct sunlight or very cold environments. Next, lithium-ion batteries last longer when you keep them between 20% to 80% charge. Some laptops have battery management tools that limit charging to 80% to extend battery lifespan. Step 8. Always use the manufacturer-recommended charger. Avoid using your laptop while it's charging to prevent overheating. Step 9. Turn off keyboard backlighting when you don't need it. Disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS if they're not in use. Finally, ensure your battery drivers and firmware are up to date, as updates often improve power efficiency. By following these tips, you can significantly extend your laptop's battery life and reduce unnecessary drain. If your battery still drains quickly despite these steps, it might be time for a battery replacement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.